Hello, we came back again. Rose, we don't wanna talk. We don't wanna say something.
I did already.
Okay. As you see, almost 1.5 days passed when we started. What we did? Can you explain what we did?
We was making the puzzle.
I know what you did. At the beginning, many of these pieces were upside down. So we first sort them. Then you see we found the edges, almost all of the edges. We found almost all of the edges. And what do we call this? This one? This vertices?
Yeah.
Vertex. We found the vertices or edges, whatever.
I think these.
Yeah, this.
Need to come
Yeah.
here.
Yes. We should gradually move this one here or anyway. Okay. So we found almost all the borders or what it called these lines, the edges and the vertices. So a few of the pattern is now we can distinguish them. Here there is a cat. I think I should change the camera to show the cat and some other aspects. Okay, let me do it.
The cat.
Okay, now I'm showing the puzzle from a different view. Here you can see a cat already. Almost 90% of the cats we found and sort them, and these borders, all borders, and here the borders. Oh, Rose, now you are doing something.
Yeah.
Okay, and those top borders also. Okay, this is after about 1.5 days. Oh, 1,000 pieces. I don't know how long does it take. We finish all of them. Rose, would you wanna say something to camera?
No.
No? Okay, we are going to
Make the puzzle.
Yeah, we are going to close this video in this stage, so you can say goodbye to the camera.
Bye.
Bye bye.